Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here again. So today I'm going to tell you how I improved my trading, how I leveled up my trading. And by telling you how I improved my trading, I'm gonna give you the different section. No, not section. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see you here again. So today I'm going to talk about how I improved my trading, how I leveled up my trading, and I'm going to help you guys to level up your trading. So I'm going to divide the video in different parts to explain you with what part you have to follow in order to level up your trading. I know it's not easy as a new beginner in trading to level up your trading, but you know, it takes time in the market to adapt. You have to get experience and stuff like that, and it takes really time. But with the shortcut that I'm going to give you, you don't need to have like 3 years in the market or maybe 5 years. I'm going to give you what I did for me and it worked for me. It's just a shortcut to help you guys not lose money in the market. So let's go. Okay guys, the first step is about the type of trading you're doing. So are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader? Are you a day trader? You have to know what type of trading you're doing because it's very important. It's important because a scalper, swing trader, and day trader are totally different. For those who don't know what a scalper is a trader who trade the smaller time frames, like 1 minute to 15-minute time frame. A swing trader is a trader who trade the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, or the 1 hour time frame. So for swing traders, they open trades and they close it in the same week. So the trade is open only for a few days. Unlikely to the scalpers, the trade is open only for a few minutes. For day traders, the trades are open within the same day. So I can open the trade this morning and closing before the end of the day. So what type of trader are you? You have to know that. It's very important. Second step, you have to find the best time to trade. You have to find the session that fits yourself. Don't trade London sessions because people say London session is very profitable. No, trade the session that fits your schedule. If you don't have time to trade the London session, don't trade the London session. If you don't have time to trade any session, don't trade that session. You have to trade a session that fits your schedule. So, how to find a good time to trade? How to find the best session that fits your schedule? So if you work like 9 to 5 or go to school or you are busy all day, just trade after your job or after what you're doing during the day. It's easy because we have 4 types of sessions. We have Sydney sessions, we have Asian session, we have London session, and we have New York session. So we have 4 types of sessions. So don't worry about trading only one session if you can't. So yeah, 4 sessions, just take your time. Trade only when you're free because it's very important. Don't trade when you're tired. Never trade when you're tired. Also, don't trade when you have like personal problems or stuff like that. The third step is about the different trading pairs that you're trading. So don't trade all the pairs that you see on the market. You don't need to trade all that. Just keep it simple. Simplicity is the key to success. Don't need to trade all the different pairs that you see in the market. Like for me, I only trade 5 pairs. I only trade Euro AUD, Euro NZD, GBP NZD, GBP AUD, and GBP JPY. That's it. And for those who want to ask me, I trade pre-London and London session. So what is pre-London? Pre-London is the intersection between Sydney and Asia session. Because I noticed that during this time, there is like some setup that are forming and develop in the session of London. The fourth step is about your strategy. What type of strategy are you using? Personally, I use price action and supply and demand. So I wait for the price to come to my key levels and I wait for confirmations, following the trend, and I take the trade. That's it. I keep it simple. You don't need to trade many different strategies at the same time. No, it doesn't work because what's going to happen? You're going to try a new strategy. Okay, take a trade. It works. Okay, I'm gonna put more money in my account. You put more money in your account, you go, the risk is bigger and you lose the money and your account is blown. That's how people blow their account, because they use different type of strategy and they don't take time to backtest strategy. Take your time, backtest the strategy is very important. The final and last step is your trading plan. We have to have a trading plan. A trading plan is a must-have in this industry. If you don't have a trading plan, you can go further in this industry. In trading, you need to have a trading plan. You need to be a disciplined trader. And to be a disciplined trader is not something easy. So in your trading plan, you can include your strategy, your confirmation, what type of indicator you're using or stuff like that, or maybe the session that you're trading. And you need to follow that trading plan, and it's gonna keep you disciplined. I use it, I tried it, and it works. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below, comment and like. Thank you very much.